and welcome to MC channel. Today I'm going to teach you on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. First step is to make a daisy. What you're just going to do is put the white edges in the yellow center. So it is connected right here. Move to the next slot where this can be. If it's here in the middle slice, just put it here, put it in the other middle slice, then put it here. Now you can see you can connect it. Now this guy here is flipped. Do that again. Put it in the other slice. Put it here where it's designated slot. Now the last edge here. Put it on that slot. Put it. Now there's your daisy. Now what you're going to do is move it to the white center. Now find an edge. For example, you picked this. Now what you're going to do is align this to a green center. Now it's aligned. You can put it top. Orange in the orange center. Put it on top. Blue center. Put it on top. Red in the red center. Now you have a cross, a perfect cross. But ignore the corners. The corners are for later, which is actually now. Now find a corner. For example, you pick this. You need to find a slot where there's a white, blue, orange center. Here it is. Now put it, for example, for our case, we see our corner here. We're going to put this corner here. What we're going to do is just look at the corner. If your corner is here, then it's correct. Now what we're going to do is put the orange edge here. Connect. First corner done. Proceed to next. If you see some kind like this, save it. Or maybe if you see it's already here, you're lucky when you have this, because you're going to skip one edge. So now this is actually the first part of F2L, but I'm going to teach you later. But in this case, you have the F2L pair. Now insert the pair in its slot. Do the right move, counterclockwise to the top, and then counterclockwise to the right. There, now we skip this. Now continue. Now we need a white, orange, green corner. Find it. It's here. Put it here. Put it in this 1x1x3 pair. Likewise, put the edge here. Connect. Now it's twisted, right? What you're going to do is put it down, then the bottom layer on the counterclockwise on the top view. Put it back. Put it back here. Do that again. There's your corner. Likewise, if you have that same case, Do that again. Down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left. Feel free to slow down the video if it's too fast. Now for the second layer. Some cases we have this, where your edge is here. In some cases the edge that you like is here. First is here, because this is important. You need to know how to take this out. Now what we're going to do is lift up, then top here, then counterclockwise, and do this again. Now solve the white face again in 3 moves. 1, 2, 3. Now here it is. Now this is our third case. Our third case is the edge is here. Now we're going to here. What are we going to do here is our counterclockwise, you counterclockwise, R counterclockwise, U counterclockwise. Stop if you see this. Do a last R prime, then reverse. U R U R. There's our edge. Now for our other case, we have this when our edge is here. What we're going to do is left, up, left, up. Stop when you see this. Likewise, do on last L, then U, L prime, U prime, L prime. There it is. Do that again. L, U, L, U. Stop when you see this. Do a last L, then U prime, L prime, U prime, L prime. Now you've done the 2 layers. In some cases we have this L, a horizontal, or only a dot. But for now we have L. What we're going to do is front, do the algorithm sexy move 2 times. R, U, R, U, R, U, R, U, then counterclockwise. Now we have the yellow cross. Align it to any center like this. Align it to green. Check if there's other coordinating edges like this. Some cases we have this. Some cases blue is here, green is here. But for now we have this. We're going to do the push method. This is how we do it. Up, push, down, push, up, double push, down, push. Okay. And now we skip this, but actually I won't show you yet. Some cases we have a solved corner and the others are not. Some cases we have no correct corners. Now this is fine, but as long as our corners are here, not here. For example, you picked yellow, blue, red corner. but you saw it's here, switch to another one, because if it's here, the algorithm will just dodge it. That's actually the name of the algorithm, dodge. Now look for your corner again, but now yellow, red, green. Check if it's not here. It's not here or here, should be here. There it is. Now in this situation, we're going to do dodge, up, dodge, up another one, dodge, back again, back again, back, last turn. Now if our corner is here, you can do it one time, but in case if your corner is here, do the dodge 2 times. I'm going to show you dodge again. There's our corner. Now next corner, it's here, so we're going to do that 2 times. Again. There's our 2 corners. Some cases we see this, 2 corners flipped, 2 corners flipped, or all corners are flipped. Now we have this case. What we're going to do is down, right, up, left. Do that until your corner is facing up, like this. Proceed to next corner. Always end with left, and do not turn it like this. Turn it like this. Do that again. Down, right, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left. Feel free to slow down the video if it's too fast. Now for the second case. For our second case, we have this. What are you going to do is down, right, up, left, likewise. Always end with left. Turn to next corner always. You might see the white is being damaged, but don't worry, it's normal if you do the algorithm correctly. Third case. For our third case, we have corners. Likewise, you're going to do down, right, up, left. Always end with left. Always proceed to next corner. Always end with left. Go to next corner. And now you solve the Rubik's Cube. Thank you for watching. I would like you to subscribe and like the video and share the video to others that can't solve a Rubik's. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you for watching.